This right here is my Natural Products Survival Kit. Getting through this modern world is no joke. I think we need a little help. And here's some things that you guys can do to add to your own kit. If you don't have one, I recommend you start. So one of my favorite brands, this is Herb Farm, herbal product spray for immune. So anytime you start to feel anything coming on, do a few shots of this in your mouth, you'll be good to go. Kind of staying in that immune world, from this company called Clear. This is a natural nasal spray made from xylitol that helps clean out all those sinus passages. This is from an essential oil company. It used to be called Veritas, it's Pranoram now, and it's for sleep. So this is especially good when traveling and putting on your hotel pillows or a few drops on the carpet. I love that stuff. Trace Mineral Drop. So this is from the company Trace Minerals. This guy goes with me everywhere. We have this in our water system at home. We are all sorely depleted of these trace minerals, so I like adding this to all of my water when I'm traveling. This one from Sagely Naturals is a CBD roll-on for headaches. So if you start to feel that pressure coming on, you just roll this guy on your forehead, helps a lot. Let me know in the comments, drop a line if you guys have any questions around what to include in your own natural product survival kit, or if you have any questions around what brands or products are great for any specific situation.